This is Couples Court with the Cutlers.
This is the case of Matlock versus Thomas. You all have been together for 2 years. You're engaged. You're preparing to be married. But that marriage is on hold right now because of allegations that Miss Thomas is sleeping with her best friend. Is that right, Miss Matlock?
Yes, it is, Your Honor. I done ripped up the marriage license that we had.
You ripped up the marriage license?
Yes, Your Honor. I ripped them up.
You hear that? She crazy.
So it's definitely on hold.
That's just weird because I don't know why. When me and her been friends before me and Kay Christina started talking.
Your Honor, her and this best friend of hers is more than best friends, okay? It's more than best friends.
No, it's not. We've been friends for 13 years, and before she got into the picture, and now she want to sit here and complain about it.
Your Honor, best friends do not keep. They don't sit up and text each other late at night at 4 or 5
Yes, you do. When you got something important to say, you talk to your best friend.
Miss Matlock, that's kind of what best friends do.
Yeah.
They do text each
Your
other.
Honor, listen, she don't want nobody being friends with her best friend. Her best friend is just her best friend. I can't call her best friend up on the phone.
No, it's not. I don't even talk to her.
Okay, hold on. Miss Thomas, is this best friend that you have, is that just your best friend?
That's just my best
friend.
friend.
Do the three of you all hang out ever?
Yeah, we hang out. She hung out with us a couple of times.
Okay.
Yes, I have.
And we ain't never made her feel uncomfortable, so I don't even know why she...
Yes, they have. Yes, they have.
No, we haven't.
They always whisper.
It's safe to say you don't believe her?
I don't.
Okay.
It's
have you found anything else that makes you think she's cheating?
Okay, Your Honor, yes. Okay, so she at the gas station, Your Honor. I ride past, some just say, turn right there. Go to that gas station. I go in the gas station. I see her at the gas station. Now, she's not in the car. I see that, her music is playing, and she plays her music off her phone.
Okay.
So I goes inside her car. So I grab her phone. I take off in my car. So when I take off in my car, I'm driving, going through her phone and everything. I'm seeing messages. I'm seeing videos. I'm seeing everything.
While you're driving?
While I'm driving, going through her phone.
So what kind of message did you see?
Oh, I got the messages right now. I got it.
Let me just turn to Miss Thomas. I gotta ask you this. When you came back to your car, did you even see her?
I seen her. As I paid the lady for my gas or whatever, right? I looked out the window, I see her car. Now I'm walking. Then I look, I hear the music stop. So I get to running. Now I jumped in my car, didn't even pay for the gas. I takes off after her.
Hold on. And you pulled these messages off the phone?
Yes.
Right.
So the other woman writes, finally got a chance to take my bath I've been wanting.
You gonna let me blank the blank out of you? I wish I was there, put you sleep right after that shower, tongue sticking out, water, lips, eggplant emoji, more water, more water.
Okay, so Miss Thomas, who's this other woman?
Okay, that ain't no other woman.
Lies.
Now what it is she got to my phone already. Now my friend and I was kicking it. My best friend, we kicking it or whatever. She asked me, she said, can I use your phone? Because my phone messed up at the time. I give her the phone. Now, before I could click anything, she already got to the phone. But before I can even explain anything to her.
So your story is this is your friend who's using your phone.
Yeah.
And she's using your phone to text somebody else?
She was texting somebody else because her phone was messed up.
Was there anything else in the phone?
Oh, Your Honor, no.
Miss Matlock,
listen, Your Honor, I'm a special gadget. I find out everything I want to find out.
Okay.
And what did you find?
I found sex videos.
Okay. You have that?
Yes, I do.
All right, Ron.
Would you grab that for us, please?
And this is all while you driving?
This is all while I'm driving, and she's talking, and I got my window up yelling.
Okay, I hope that you don't do that anymore, because you could have heard you and a whole bunch of other folks.
Yep.
And so this is a video of two people looks like two women having sex using a
Yes, and that's
using
her.
a toy.
That's her.
That's not me.
That's her.
No, it's not.
And so
she should have known.
You recognize the people in the video?
Yes. I lay on that stomach every night. I know it. I know it's her fast self.
So you recognize that because you know You've seen it. You know it.
I know her fat self. I know that.
Is this you in this video?
No, it's not.
Do you think it's her?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you know who the other woman is?
I think it's her best friend, Your Honor.
And Thomas, you deny that.
I definitely do, because it ain't me.
There's your side, and there is the best friend side, and she is here. Ron, would you escort her in?
Hey, best friend.
Hey, girl.
Good day, ma'am. How are you?
Hello, I'm good.
That's good. Would you state your name, please, for the court record?
Latifah Johnson.
And Ms. Johnson, what is the nature of your relationship with Ms. Thomas?
That is my best friend. We've been friends since grade school, very long time. We have a good, close relationship like sisters.
That close?
Mm-hmm.
There is an issue here about you and Miss Thomas being more than just best friends.
That's a lie.
Yep.
Her girlfriend just always paranoid, delusional, crazy, try to do too much snooping and snoop up the wrong alley thinking accusations that never even happened. That's not true.
So this video that Miss Matlock believes involves Miss Thomas and also you, that is not a video of you. Is that your testimony?
No, that's not me. If she's seen the video, she can clearly see it's not me. I don't know nothing about who in the video, but it ain't me, it ain't my friend. She just make it up. This girl make up stuff.
Okay, well, now Miss Thomas has testified that that you downloaded that video into her phone. Did you?
Yeah.
It was just like playing around type stuff, something I seen like somebody else. Like
Who play like that?
I mean, it was like some tea.
Who
Like
play like that?
Hold on, Ms. Matlock. So you did download this video?
yes,
And you did put it on Ms. Thomas's phone?
yes, it was.
Yes.
It was just sent to the phone because it was somebody else.
But by you coming
that
so quick,
we had.
nobody delete.
I mean, it
nobody
was just
play
like
like
on the internet.
So it was.
Okay.
Go ahead,
It
love.
was just a video that was kind of going around, and that was that.
Now, Ms. Johnson, you understand you're here in court. You're under oath. You sworn to tell the truth. Mm-hmm. Is that you in the video?
No, it is not. No. I wouldn't do no video like that. I'm not in no video. I'm not interested in my best friend. I don't look at her like that. That's just my best friend.
Yep.
Period.
Are you sure that this isn't Ms. Thomas in the video?
I don't know what Miss Thomas looked like without clothes on, so I know it's not her, but even if you couldn't see the face, I'm sure it's not her.
Okay, but if you downloaded the video, then you would know definitively whether it was her or not. You're saying you don't know whether
Well,
it's her.
it wasn't her. I'm just saying, like, to her girlfriend, she just, oh, blah, blah, blah. Well, I'm just saying, you can't see her face, so she won't take my word. So I'm just it's not her. It was just a video that was going around. It's not her.
A lies.
Now
Miss
that's a
Matlock,
lie.
but you absolutely believe that there's
I
shit going
know
on.
for 100, my soul, my body, mind know that it's her. I know her body.
Ms. Johnson, you say you don't look at Ms. Thomas that way. I mean, have you all ever had a sexual relationship?
No, not at all.
No.
We don't have that. We don't look at each other like that. Obviously, Miss Matlock, she don't know. I don't know if she ever had a best friend or not, but I'm her best friend. We kind of close. So yeah, we talk
close.
late.
I
We go
guess
out,
I've
we do
never
stuff
friends.
together.
I have
If you
best
don't, if
friends.
you never had a best friend like that type of relationship, then you wouldn't understand our relationship. We don't look at each other like that.
So you all have never been sexually involved in
Never.
the 13 years you've known each
Never
other?
done nothing, never thought about it, didn't never even think about even none of that until she brought it up. It was shocking to me.
All right.
I think we have enough evidence.
Yep.
If you find out she's cheating, what does that mean?
Well, is over. Her bags is packed. It's over. It's done with. It's no coming back
But when
from
she
that.
find out I'm not cheating, what's she gonna do? Unpack my stuff?
Well, Ms. Thomas, I mean, this is really serious. I mean, you have this relationship at stake. You all have been together. You are planning to get married.
Right.
She is so incensed by this. She's ripped up the marriage license. You all have kids that you all are raising together.
Yeah.
As a family, all of this is at stake right now, right here.
Yep.
You understand that, right?
Yeah, that's why I came on here to prove to her that I'm not cheating.
Once and for all, you want to put to bed
Yep.
that you're not cheating.
And after that, we could go on and move forward with our life and continue on building this relationship.
Okay.
In order to get to the bottom of this court has done a full and complete investigation. At this time, the court would like to call Dave Lawrence, licensed certified polygraph examiner, to determine, is she cheating? Rob, against 40 minutes. Mr. Lawrence, how are you, sir?
Just fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm great. Would you share for the court record your credentials?
Yes, ma'am. I'm a 30-year retired law enforcement. I've been a polygraph examiner for the past 26 years.
All right. You asked Ms. Thomas a series of questions.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. You asked Ms. Thomas, have you had any physical sexual contact with Ms. Johnson since you and Ms. Matlock have been in a relationship? What was her response?
She said no.
What did the lie detector determine?
The lie detector determined that she was being truthful.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
You asked Ms. Thomas, are you one of the people shown in the sex video Ms. Matlock found on your phone? What was her response?
She said no.
What did the lie detector determine?
The lie detector determined that she was being deceptive.
So, Ms. Thomas, that was you,
I told you, Your Honor.
correct?
Yeah.
Okay, that was you. Ms. Matlock recognized you, and she knew it was
I
you.
told you.
Okay,
You were with another woman.
Okay.
Obviously.
hold on, Ms. Matlock.
It was a time that me and her then stopped talking for probably like 2 months.
A lot. Lies.
Yeah, yes, you have.
Lies, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Matlock, hold on. So you were in the video with another woman.
Yes.
Yes.
And this is during the time
This
that
was
you all
during the
been...
time during the breakup. See, with her, it be basically like, get your things and go. So at the time, I don't know if she's serious or not, and then she then ripped up the marriage license certificate. So I thought we was completely done. So by that time, I done messed around.
How many times?
Only one time.
But based on your story, it was 2 months. So you only did it one time in 2 months.
One time.
You look into the, you know what?
See, I'm being serious though. It only happened one time though. So it just, the thing is, I don't know if she's serious or not. When she telling me she done and she's ripping up the paper and stuff, so how am I supposed to know if she wanna work things out?
All right, well, I tell you what, you guarantee she don't want to by lying about the video and being with this other woman.
Well, you say you all were on a break and it was like 2 months or so?
Yeah.
You know, let me read something from your court papers. It says, we've never broken up. I can say we've given each other some space,
Yes.
like an hour or two.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank
And that's
you.
for hers.
Thank you.
Yeah, these are the papers you
Thank
submit
you.
prior to being here today. That's what you wrote.
So, Ms. Thomas, were you lying in your pre-court papers or you lying now? Which one?
My thing is, they asked, I don't know.
All right, let's go
She's
to
lying.
the last question.
You can't keep up. When you lie, you can't keep up with it.
So
There it is.
When you lie, you can't keep up with
There
it.
it is. You can only
It's
juggle so
over.
many. That's right. All right.
Mr. Lawrence, you asked Ms. Thomas, since being in a relationship with Ms. Matlock, have you had sexual intercourse with anyone other than what Ms. Matlock knows about? What was her response to that question?
She said no.
What did the lie detector determine?
The lie detector determined that she was being deceptive.
All right. Ms. Matlock, you came here to get answers. You have gotten those answers. Are you still of the position that you are done and out?
Yes,
I understand.
it's over.
Take your power back and tell Ms. Thomas what your plans are going forward.
My plans going forward, I just want you out. We can't go forward from this. It's over with.
Ms. Thomas, I don't know what to tell you, except that you have messed up.
Okay, well, just that one time.
And you can make all these excuses about what, for, and why, but if you had come clean, you wouldn't be here. Because you knew that was you. So let me just say this to you, Miss Matlock. Go about your life, be your best you, and you need to have somebody in your corner that's loving you, that will allow you to be your best you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Go and talk to our counselor, and you, Miss Thomas, you need to talk to him too. You need to figure out some things
I'm
going
okay
on
with
you.
that.
As we say in this courtroom, do not cheat yourself out of an opportunity to have a happy, healthy relationship. Court is adjourned.